What's up, dude?
Oh, what's up, brother?
How you?
All right.
What you up to?
Just checking some emails.
Anything good?
Yeah, Tripltek. They want to send you a tablet for review.
The Tripltek Pro?
I think so. That's the new one, huh?
Are they gonna pay for it?
No, they're not paying for it.
Well,
You get to bang it around for a month.
Ooh, non-biased review. When can they send it out?
Oh, he said about 3 days, FedEx.
Remember when I talked to you about the molecular transfer?
Oh, yeah, with your crazy AI.
Mm-hmm. Mary, initialize.
Initializing.
Oh, dude, you'll be surprised. Check this out. Mary, initialize molecular transfer.
Initializing.
What the honking heck?
I told you.
Hey, she can do that with cookies?
Based on your BMI, I would suggest vegetables instead of cookies.
Did you just call us fat?
Bro.
Overweight, not fat.
Mary, you really need to work on your etiquette.
No, I don't.
How does she even know my BMI?
She scans everything, and she has a bad attitude. Anyways, let's review this bad boy. Alright, bro, it's been 4 weeks. Tripltek Pro, what do you think?
Man, I like this thing.
Me too.
I really enjoyed the time that I was able to play video games on it, get on my social media accounts. I mean, you could even put a SIM card in here, use it as a phone. I didn't like the speaker. It's kind of like if there's anything going on around you, it's hard to hear.
Well, it has Bluetooth capability and also has a speaker port, or a headphone port. So I used it with that at some point, and it actually did make a big difference.
Yeah.
So it's pretty loud with that one. But yeah, I noticed that too, that the speaker is pretty quiet. What I like about it is that the ports are really blocked off with everything. They have nice little latches. They're kind of a pain to get into, but they actually do what they're supposed to be doing. Water resistant, dust resistant, most of all, shock resistant.
Yeah, we all know about you, Mr. Shock Resistant. Kind of reckless, no?
Me, reckless. Well, you know, I really like that bright screen, 1200 nits, and 10,000 milliamp per hour freaking battery, Android 9.0. How long did it last in endurance test?
Like 5.5 hours I was swiping left.
Sensitivity wise, I would say that the screen is really good too. It's responsive even though it has that thick film on top against anti-glare. But it is on the heavy side, the tablet. So it really does weigh like a pound and something. So while I was flying my drones, 500 flights combined with all my drones, all apps work perfectly on it. I had my Autel running on it, I had my DJI running on it, and I had my Parrot running on it. I had no problems whatsoever. The good part is Skyfire Aero made a mount for it that I could mount it to my controller. With DJI and Parrot, I kind of like had to fiddle around, make it Jimmy Rig, work it out. But it did show up really good. There was no glare, and I could see in the brightest of suns, literally facing my drones wherever I was looking at. That's the good part about it. I really like it. The handle in the back, I didn't really get to utilize it that much.
Well, I did, and I think that Tripltek should add another set of rings on the back here and make an adjustable handle so that you can put your hand in this
on
way.
the side because
when
the
I was
screen is
playing my
sideways.
games and watching my movies, you know, this thing is pretty heavy. It's heavy duty.
Yeah.
You know, they make shuttles out of this stuff.
Yeah.
So, you know, maybe add a couple pieces. Another shorter handhold would be a lot better, I think.
Yeah, I really like the availability based on that you can hook up to Wi-Fi, third-party apps, no problem whatsoever. It does draw some power from the controllers, but if you have more higher resistant wires that you can purchase somewhere online, you actually can push it down to barely anything, merely nothing. Haven't really seen any for the Parrot controller. I know that I had one for the Autel controller and for the DJI controller, because the power draw at some point was like 1 amp. Then with a firmware update on Autel, it went down to like half an amp. And with that resistance wire, which has a little bit more resistance in it, it still transfers everything no problem, but it went down to 0.3 amp power draw, which was good and make the controller last longer.
That's basically nothing.
Basically nothing. So I really enjoyed it, and I think that it is really good tablet. It costs $695 at this point, but it's not just like any other monitor. It's a tablet. Its functionality and versatility is gonna boost everybody out of the gaming field in that one. I would say it's definitely worth it. Check it out, Tripltek Pro.
Might be good to look for.
Yes, don't forget, COVID-19 still out there to get you. Be a nice human
Wear a mask.
and wash your hands.
Aloha.